It was 2020. The world has turned upside down, so with my life. My father's business was completely shut down. Not a single rupee is coming into my home. We had a debt of almost 10 lakh rupees and an EMI for almost 40,000 per month. And in one evening, when I was sleeping with my mom's lap, my mom asked me, "Beta, kar lega na?" I said yes. But internally, I didn't know how to do it. I was in 4th year of computer science engineering and I was watching my classmate getting placed in companies with a package of 3.5 to 12 lakh per annum. And I thought, like 3.5 lakh per annum in Bangalore? Like no fucking way, man. 25,000 is the rent of Bangalore for 1 BHK or 2 BHK. That would barely help me survive. Forget about helping my family and helping clearing the debt. So late one night, I was scrolling YouTube. I was desperately wanted to make money. And I found one guy who was claiming that you can make $10,000 as a copywriter. It's like, what the fuck is copywriting? And you can make $10,000? That's like fucking 8 lakh rupees in Indian rupees. So I did whatever I can in my possibility and capacity to master the skill of copywriting. Books, courses, I read it. I handwritten classical copy and mastered it. I practiced it. I just wanted to get better at copywriting. So I realized one thing, like getting good at copywriting is not enough. You have to get clients, man. So I tried reaching out to clients. So what I did, I went to LinkedIn. I started reaching out to clients. Instagram, Facebook, like Upwork, Fiverr, like whatever I knew, I did it. But 3 months in, clients, घंटा ना कोई मिला. And at this point of time, when I saw my friends getting placed in the company, and I was like, I have not got any single client yet. Like, what should I do? Should I go and take a job or should I pursue this? I was so fucking confused. And at that point of time, I was so desperate. Like, bhai, kuch bhi likhne ko de do. Sales page, landing page, website, e-com product description, kuch bhi, bhai. I just wanted to make some money. Like, please. So after 3 months, I got one client through LinkedIn outreach, and it was like, we have to write for product description for e-com brands. And I was like, no, I was not having any experience, but I said yes. I said yes to the opportunity. And you won't believe how much did I charge. I said for one product description, it is only 500 rupees. It's like, and I surprised him, 500 rupees mein kya tera ghar chalega kya be? So he gave me the opportunity to write for 5 to 6 product descriptions. So I charged around 3,000 rupees. And I knew at that point of time, bro, it is not enough. इससे क्या तुम्हारा खर्चा ही नहीं चलेगा. Forget about helping your family. And at that point of time, I realized that I need a mentor, a person who has already walked on this path, and that person can help me. So I had two options. Like, I could either keep struggling and do whatever I'm continually doing, or invest in someone who has already done it. So I figured out this mentor who was charging 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees? No. $3,000, man. And it was like fucking no fucking way. I could not believe and I could not possibly fathom कि अच्छा $3,000 इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. That is like मैं उतने में मारुति आ जाएगी भाई. अपने कॉलेज में इतना नहीं करते लोग. मैं $3,000 एक कोर्स में इन्वेस्ट करूँ. I was like, no fucking way. So I delayed 3 months कि नहीं खुद से करूँगा. Then also I could not do it. Then at one point of time, I had to invest it. So what I did, I invested around 41,000. That was like a $550 into 6 installment. So I took money from my relatives and I invested. And I told my mentor, see, like whatever will happen, I don't have money right now. Like whatever you're going to teach me, from that I'm going to make money and pay you the rest of the amount. It was like that desperate. My bank account is almost zero. And I didn't know what to do, so I just invested and I applied his strategy. I sent around 400 DMs consistently over a period of 40 days. And finally, I landed one client. But before that, I had to face a lot of insecurity. I didn't know how to communicate with international clients. I was not good looking. I was almost bald headed. It was like Indian accent. I had to deal with those all insecurity. Like how the fuck these international people will listen to me. But finally they did. And I landed one client that was $400. And at that day, it fucking changed my life. It was 1 a.m. in the morning and I could not fucking sleep that day. I screamed, I loved it, I celebrated, I did it. And finally I called my mom. Mummy bola beta, mummy, maine kar diya. And I was like, I sent a screenshot to my father, my mom, my relatives, everyone. I screamed. And at that day, I could not sleep. Ki yaar, The first dollar is sweeter than every single thing, like every other food that I've ever tasted. It was so fucking good. From that day onwards, it was not a single month that I did not make money. The first month I made 25,000. Second month I got 2 clients and it was 50,000 rupees. And in the third month I crossed 1 lakh rupees. And on a highest note, I have made around 4.5 lakh rupees in a single month. All because of the freelancing and the dedication and the effort which I put consistently. After some time, I was able to send 30 to 50,000 rupees every single month to my parents and even my brothers. I helped my brothers get camera and get started in his photography career. I was also able to help my sister get admission in her college. Sorry, her and his mein galti ho jati hai. So here's the deal, my friend. Look, my grammar would not be right, my English would not be right, but still I'm able to make money. You know what is the biggest thing holding you back? It's not your skill. It's not the background. It's not even the market. It's your mindset, man. So if you are able to focus on getting results for your clients and keep doing it again and again and again, and that's how you get progress. You get one testimonial and this is what start compounding. Another testimonial, and another testimonial, and that's how you start growing in your freelancing career. So here are 3 things which I learned during this last 3 years of my career in freelancing. Like, one of the most important thing was like investing in mentorship, because until I didn't do it, I was struggling and I didn't know how to do it. So it was a game changing when I invested my my money and my resources in a mentor. The second thing was like going all in and committing to the process, because it is not easy. Like, you have to commit, you have to be committed and dedicated, and you're not going to get clients in one day. You have to do the follow-up. You have to be consistently doing the thing that gets the result. And third thing is just the mindset, man, that if you once start going to the professional clients, like international clients, if you have that mindset, okay, I'm the person who can deliver results and it does not matter where I'm from, I'm the fucking king. And that's the king mentality that I had that got the result. So if you are someone, like if you're struggling in your freelancing journey, if you want some kind of help, go to my Instagram, marketer_Sarabjeet, and DM me the word global. I'll see like whether I can help you or not. Alright, so let me know in the comment section like your takeaway from my story and what you're going to implement in your life today. Alright? Until the time, keep working hard and keep working on themselves, because you and I both know, like, we are not meant to settle down. We are here to grow and we are here to break all the rules, man. Let's do it.